Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Build an Advanced RAG Application from Scratch, written by Hamza Farooq.
Language is essential for human connection, evolving from simple sounds to complex words. Natural language processing, NLP, merges language study, computer science, and smart programs to help computers understand human language. Since the 1940s, NLP has advanced significantly, but capturing language nuances was challenging until deep learning emerged. This led to large language models, LLMs, which understand and generate human-like text, transforming technology interactions. LLMs like ChatGPT and Anthropic surpass early virtual assistants by crafting full paragraphs and engaging in meaningful conversations. They anticipate conversational turns, offering seamless interactions. The book explores LLMs' practical applications, highlighting their versatility across domains like customer service and scientific research. LLMs predict the next word in a sequence, similar to human conversation anticipation. Trained on massive datasets, they capture linguistic nuances and generate coherent text. The book explores their practical applications and the emergence of multimodal models, which integrate various data forms for more natural AI applications. LLMs are used in conversational assistance, text and code generation, information retrieval, language understanding, recommendation systems, content creation, and task fulfillment. Their power comes from large-scale training, requiring significant computational resources. Training LLMs involves vast data and immense computational power, often using GPUs or TPUs, and can take weeks or months. Despite high costs, advancements have led to state-of-the-art models with deep language understanding. Constructing an LLM application involves intricate components, from computational power to application definition. The process includes training and fine-tuning phases, requiring a nuanced approach to deploy effective LLMs. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, is an important tool that enhances language models by finding relevant information from specific data sources and providing more accurate responses. LLMs face challenges such as data bias, ethical concerns, interpretability, and hallucinations. Addressing these challenges is crucial for maximizing their potential benefits while minimizing risks. Researchers are actively working on solutions for responsible and effective use of these models. The rise of LLMs has sparked innovation and investment, leading to new ventures and unprecedented funding levels. Startups are developing infrastructure tools, training their own LLMs and creating APIs and SaaS products. The book aims to equip readers with a comprehensive understanding of LLMs, guiding them through the process of creating context-aware, efficient, and effective LLM applications.
Get this book at manning.com